Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're logged into Linktree and ready to add your first link. Start by clicking Add New Link on the admin page. Once done, paste the URL into the URL field and type a clear, concise title so visitors know what to expect. Make sure to toggle visibility on. This activates the link immediately. If you want an icon or custom thumbnail, click the media option now. These steps set up the link's identity and ensure it appears correctly in your list. Now refine how the link behaves and looks. Click the pencil/edit icon to open advanced options. You can add a short description to improve context and select an icon for visual recognition, which helps conversions. If timing matters, use schedule to publish at a specific date/time. Once scheduled, Linktree handles activation automatically. For analytics, toggle UTM tracking or connect your analytics service so you can measure clicks. These details control presentation, timing, and measurement, important for consistent performance. Finish by arranging your links in priority order using drag and drop. This determines what visitors see first. Once arranged, use the preview or open your public Linktree URL to test each link on mobile and desktop. Testing ensures the right destination and correct formatting. If a link fails, first check the URL scheme, HTTP versus HTTPS, confirm the link is toggled visible, and verify scheduling isn't delaying it. If problems persist, remove and re-add the link. That often clears stray formatting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.